In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view audit logs in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and signing in with an account that has administrator permissions. Next, click the settings or gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the administration area. Once you are in the admin settings, look for the audit log option under the security, monitoring or administration section, depending on your Confluence version. Click audit log to open the log viewer. You will now see a list of recorded events and administrative activities that have taken place within your Confluence environment. Use the search bar to find specific events, users, or actions that you want to investigate. You can also apply filters to narrow the results by event type, date range, user, or category. When you find an event that interests you, click on it to view additional details such as who performed the action, when it occurred, and what changes were made. Review the information carefully to monitor user activity, troubleshoot issues, or verify administrative changes. If needed, use the export option to download audit log data for reporting, compliance, or further analysis. Keep in mind that the available audit log features may vary depending on your Confluence edition and subscription plan. Once you've finished reviewing the logs, you can return to the administration dashboard or continue investigating other events as needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view audit logs in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.